Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will create this 3D model in Solidworks using a wrap command. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So first of all I will close this, and here you can see I am using Solidworks 2020, but if you are using a below version of Solidworks or a future version of Solidworks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white, and I will set my units to mmgs, which is millimeters grams second. Okay. So let's sketch two concentric circles. Let's select top plane, sketch, and here I will create two concentric circles like this and another circle like this. Let's dimension it. Let's say the bigger one is 100 and the smaller one is 70. You can see the color of the sketch is turned into black from blue, which means that it is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. I will go to features, extruded boss, and I will extrude it from the mid plane, and the extrusion would be like 170 millimeters, and I will select OK. So it's a hollow cylinder. Now we will apply some chamfer. So let's apply chamfer of 2 at 45 degree on this inner edge, this outer edge, and here as well. Next we will create a plane tangent to a right plane. So let's go to here, reference geometry, plane, and for the first reference I will select right plane, and for the second reference I will select this surface. So it will create a tangent plane like this, you can see, and I will select OK. Now we will create a slot on this plane. So first I need to select this plane, sketch, and here I will create a slot. So here is the slot command. Here you can see we are given with the 4 slots. So I will select this slot type, center point straight slot, and I will create a slot like this. The width of this slot is 20 millimeters. And you can see it is not fully defined. So let's go to here, smart dimension again, and let's say this dimension is 45 millimeters. And now you can see the color of the sketch is turned into black, which means it is fully defined. I will exit this sketch. And now I will use the wrap command. So first I will hide this plane. OK. Now I will go to this command wrap, and here first I will select this sketch, and then I will select the surface. Here you can see the preview. I will select this one, Deboss, because I need to remove the material, and I will select OK. Now you can see a slot has been created. Now I will apply this wrap feature 8 times on this cylinder. So let's go to here, pattern, circular pattern, and here for the direction I will select this circle, and for the features I will select this command wrap. Here you can see the preview, and I will select OK. Now we will apply some fillet on the sharp edges. So go to here, fillet, and I will select this face and this face. I will select OK. Lastly, we will apply some appearance on this 3D model. So for this, I will go to here, edit appearance, and here simply we will apply, let's say, this color, and I will select OK. So that's how you can use wrap command in SolidWorks, and you can create your 3D models in SolidWorks. You can section it. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, different engineering topics like engineering drawing, FEA, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.